Right, today we're going to be doing a trip from the St George Hotel into Paphos. Now we can get a bus there, but it's not one bus, you actually have to get two. But they do have a day ticket, an all-dayer, so you can just get that and get as many buses as you need. Now you can just get one bus to the Valley of the Kings, Tomb of the Kings, I was corrected there, and then walk it. It's about 1.7 kilometres, but if you get the ticket, the all-day ticket, the saver, then you can just get the other bus from the Tomb of the Kings, which is probably what we're going to do. So we're just going to walk up from the hotel to the bus stop, which is on the high street up here. And I can see a bus in the distance, so we just missed one. I think it's a 615 you get. We'll have a look when we're there. But I think they run every 15 minutes, so it's not too bad. Not too long to wait. So it's run about every 15 minutes, I think they run in the week, and on Sundays every 30 minutes, I believe. So again, it's not too bad. They're quite regular. I mean, if you wanted to, obviously you could get a taxi, but whenever we're going into Paphos, we just get the bus. So that's a 615, I think, the bus. They're boarding now, so we just missed that one. We're not going to make that. Waiting for the green man, but he hasn't appeared. I don't know where he's gone.
Press the button.
Well, you can pay on the bus. We just talked to a couple there. You can pay on the bus, but it's best to have the right change. Now, they just said it's £6.50 for the day rider, the day ticket per person, so that means you can get any bus. So that'll cover you for going to Paphos and coming back. So it's not bad, but they just told us, that couple there, that they only had a €50 note and they wouldn't change it, which is understandable, really. They're not going to have that sort of change on them. So if you can have, they do take notes, but if you've got small denominations or change, it's always best to do that. So if you've got a tenner or five and some change, that's probably your best bet. Anyway, we're at the bus stop. Hopefully it's not going to be more than 10 minutes. Less than 10 minutes. Can we have two savers for Paphos Harbour? 13 vehicles. Yeah, that's day price, so 10, 12, 13. Thank you. Thank you. Right, so that's the 615 to the Tomb of the Kings. We've got a changeover, I think it's a 611. exit. Goes to the harbour, yeah, this one? So that's the two buses, 611 and the 615 to the harbour. Takes about 30 minutes in total. They're pretty frequent. So if you fancy coming from the St George, that is the way to do it, unless you get a cab. So we'll never walk up and down the harbour today and have a look. We have done it in previous videos, but we'll do another one.
Tu sobie możemy usiąść. Chodź na ławeczkę, popatrzymy na morze i na stateczki pływające.
Now, someone did say to me, can you recommend any eateries? It's probably best to ask someone that sort of lives here, really, because they're going to know the best restaurants to go to. They're all kind of similar priced on the harbour and a little bit cheaper when you go up away from the harbour, obviously. But they're all pretty busy.
Hello.
Well, must be tourist season, the sponges are out. Shells are pretty good, don't they?
Yeah, they are, but
Shark teeth, €15.
not so much in.
Yeah.
And they're really extra. What the ones are quite nice.
Hello there. Yeah, so someone did ask me what restaurants, best ones you would recommend. As I say, there are a few people on YouTube that live here, expats, they'd probably know better. But someone in the comments can let you know. They're all fairly reasonably priced. So happy hour all day, $3.25. Not bad. So it's all fairly reasonably priced this time of year. Probably go up a little bit, June and July, peak season. Dynamic pricing and all that. So you can get a full breakfast over there, $7.50. A beer for around €3. It was actually cheaper when we was in Lanzarote. You could get them for €1 to €2. That was in November, so it was out of season. Still pretty warm though. Captain's Bistro. Okay. Yeah, there's a little market. Do you want to have a look? Might as well. Yeah. So they're all gearing up for the season with the seating outside. It's fairly warm, around about 25 today, but it's a bit cloudy. So it's not the best, but it's not bad. Prints, 25 euros. It's a little bit run down this bit.
Yeah, some shops probably shut down.
Yeah.